Freezing the image is a storytelling convention that's almost as old as cinema itself. However, in Final Cut Pro X, they are not called freezes, but holds. Let's look at how to create one. Select the Motley Crue clip, then press Option-Command-Up arrow to create a connected clip. Skim over the clip until the first 3 soldiers are centered in the frame. Click once to set your playhead to this frame. Then, from the Retime menu, choose Hold or press Shift-H. A 2-second hold frame is created at the playhead position. Play over the clip to see the effect. Let's create another hold frame later in the clip. Skim until the Confederate cavalry officer is included in the frame. Then press Shift-H to create the hold. Play back the clip with the additional hold to see how it looks. With the additional 6 seconds of hold frames added to the clip, the duration of the clip is extended far beyond the end of our music and past the final interview clip. Because the clip is broken into speed segments, we can do any number of things to affect the timing. For one, we can change the timing of this normal segment between the hold frames. Click on the green timing bar and choose Fast 2x. A blue bar appears to indicate that we've doubled the speed of this segment. Let's play back. The amazing thing about retiming effects in Final Cut Pro is how fast you can make changes and see the results. With that in mind, this clip, or any clip for that matter, can be retimed in a variety of ways. It all depends on what your creative goals are. As the producer of this show, I would like to end this shot on the second hold frame. Let's drag the handle to the right to increase the hold duration. Drag until the timing bar extends past the Bob Interview 02 clip. With the Motley Crue clip selected, use your up and down arrow keys to move the playhead to the endpoint of the Bob Interview 02 clip. Press Option right bracket to trim the shot to the playhead. Finally, to put this clip back into the primary storyline, right-click on the clip and choose Overwrite to Primary Storyline, or press Option-Command-Down arrow. Drag on the hold retiming handle to the left while watching the Bob Interview clip. When the end of the interview clip is aligned with the end of the memorial music clip, release your mouse. Finally, close the retime editor by clicking the X. As you're working with retime clips, you'll notice a dashed orange bar above the clips. This visual indicates a clip that ultimately will need to be rendered for full quality playback and output. The choices for quality are found in the retime menu. Choose Video Quality to reveal a menu of options. Normal is the default quality. This setting duplicates frames to create retiming effects, but no frame blending is applied. However, this setting does not yield the best quality when outputting your movie. The next option, Frame Blending, creates in-between frames by blending the pixels of neighboring frames. As a result, the playback appears smoother. Frame blending does require rendering for final output, which we'll look at in a moment. If you want the ultimate and silky smooth speed effects, then Optical Flow is your choice. Optical Flow uses a sophisticated algorithm that analyzes the directional movement of the pixels, then creates new frames based on the analysis. Only the portion of the clip used in your project are analyzed. Keep in mind that depending on the motion in your clip, Optical Flow analysis can take some time. You can see the progress of the analysis by pressing Command 9 to bring up the Background Tasks window. If you've chosen either frame blending or optical flow, once the analysis has completed, you'll need to render your clip. Make sure it's selected, then choose Render Selection or press Ctrl-R on your keyboard. As the clip is being rendered, the orange render bar above the clip recedes to indicate the render progress. Unlike legacy versions of Final Cut Pro, rendering does not require you to stop your work. You can keep editing while the rendering occurs on your clip or clips in the background. How cool is that? In the next lesson, we'll continue working with Final Cut Pro's effects. You'll learn how to work with transitions and apply and animate effects using keyframes.